Hey there, TripZapp partners. Getting your experience listed properly is the first step to getting seen and booked. Your listing is what travelers see first. So, how you present your experience makes all the difference. In this quick video, we'll show you how to create a professional, attractive listing that stands out and gets bookings. Let's get your experiences set up the right way. Step 1. Select the right category, type, and theme. Choosing the right category, type, and theme helps customers find your experience more easily when they search based on their interests. Make sure to select the most accurate options that best describe what you offer. This helps your listing appear in the right search results. Step 2. Create an eye-catching title. Make your title exciting. Your title should be clear, descriptive, and engaging. A great title attracts guests to view your experience. Instead of writing Safari Tour, write Sunrise Safari and Bush Breakfast in Serengeti. This gives a vivid idea of the activity, attraction, and value. Use action words and specific details. Don't be vague or too generic. Step 3. Enter your experience details. Start by specifying how long your experience lasts. This could be in hours, minutes, or days. Then, type in and select the main city where the experience takes place or begins. Note that the city you choose helps guests find you. If your tour starts in a smaller town, but guests are picked up from a larger nearby city, select the main city. This improves visibility because most travelers search by major cities. Next, indicate your pickup method. Will guests meet you at a start point, or will you pick them up from their location? If it's a meetup point, clearly provide the address and how early guests should arrive before start time. Step 4. Write an inspiring description. Your description is your chance to sell the experience. It should inspire travelers and paint a picture. Clearly outline what the customer will do, see, and learn. Focus on the highlights of your experience and what makes it special, such as rare wildlife sightings, scenic views, or historical importance. But don't just list what's included. Tell a story. Key tip: speak directly to the traveler, use sensory language, and make it sound exciting. Step 5. Add highlights. Highlights give travelers a quick glance at what's special about your experience. Think of them as selling points for your experience. List key attractions, standout features, or memorable moments. Add a new tab for each one to make them easy to read. Step 6. Language, tour type, and group size. Select all the languages your tour is offered in. Then indicate whether your tour is private. If multiple travelers can book individual spots and join others, like a catamaran boat cruise for example, it's not private. If one customer books the whole experience, like a private boat charter, then it's private. Also, set the maximum number of travelers you can host on the experience. Think of this as the maximum number of tickets available for this experience each time. If you can only accommodate 10 guests each time the tour departs, this should be the maximum number of travelers. Step 7. Create a clear step-by-step itinerary. Listings with clear itineraries get 3 times more bookings. A detailed itinerary is the difference between getting a booking and not. The itinerary is not just a summary, it's a breakdown of what happens, when, and where. It makes it easy for travelers to visualize the experience and reduces confusion or unnecessary questions that prevent them from making a booking. Add a new stop for each destination. Indicate the location and clearly define what activities will take place with relevant timestamps. Mention meals, breaks, and highlights. Use clear formatting. Drag stops to reorder them as needed. Step 8. Specify inclusions, exclusions, and any additional information. Let travelers know exactly what's included and what isn't, so they have a clear understanding of what they are paying for and what to expect. Choose from our drop-down options or type your own. Select Add New to list multiple items in the inclusion and exclusion sections. You may also add additional information like wearing comfortable shoes, dressing appropriately for the experience, or what guests should bring along. Step 9. Set competitive pricing. Start by selecting whether the price is per person or per group or vehicle. Then choose who the experience is for: adults, children, or infants, and define the age range. Some experiences may not be safe or appropriate for infants or for elderly people, so take this into consideration when specifying age ranges and who can purchase your experience to avoid any liabilities. Next, click Add Pricing option to input your standard price for each ticket type. You'll see your payout displayed after the platform's commission is applied. Set your availability, days of the week, and start times. You can add multiple start times if your tour runs more than once a day. You can also enable tiered pricing to offer discounts for larger groups, making your pricing competitive. For instance, for 1 to 2 guests, you may charge $100 per person, but for 3 to 5 guests, you may charge $80 per person, making your offering more attractive. If your experience is priced per group or vehicle, like in the case of an airport transfer, simply enter the flat price and guest capacity. For example, $50 for a group of up to 3. You may add multiple group sizes if needed. If your experience has variations, like a regular cruise versus a sunset cruise with dinner, you can add another pricing option. Name the variation, describe what's included, input the price and availability, and save. Now travelers can choose which version they want to book. Step 10. Set your booking and cancellation rules and policies. Set your booking cutoff time. How close to the start time can someone book? If you need time to prepare to host an experience, choose a longer cutoff time, like 24 or 48 hours. Next, select your cancellation policy. Non-refundable or flexible cancellation, where guests get a full refund if they cancel a certain number of days in advance of their booked date. We recommend flexible options, as they encourage more bookings and improve customer trust. Set your own refund window. For example, full refund if canceled 5 days or more before the experience start time. Also include any special policies in the additional policy section. This could be your reschedule or late arrival policy, weather policy, dress code, age restrictions, or safety policy. These policies are important. They form part of what the customer agrees to when booking and protect you in case of disputes. Step 11. Upload high-quality images. 90% of travelers book based on images. So upload your best photos. They sell your experience. Upload 6 to 10 clear, high-quality, well-lit, engaging, and compelling photos. Show beautiful locations or attractions and people enjoying your experience. Put your best photos first and keep images under 2 megabytes each. Avoid blurry, dark, or repeated images. These won't be approved. Ensure you have the rights to the images you are uploading. Drag and drop to reorder images. The first image becomes the cover photo and your experience thumbnail. Make it your most compelling one, as this is the image guests see in search results and your way of attracting travelers to view your experience. So put your best foot forward. Step 12. Preview and publish your listing. Before publishing, hit preview to see what your listing will look like to travelers. Make sure description is engaging and informative. Itinerary is clear and detailed. There are no typos, errors, or missing information. Pricing is accurate. Images are high quality, and all fields are correctly filled. Once you're happy, click Publish. We'll review your experience to ensure it meets our standards before it goes live. You can duplicate products to make listing new tours and experiences easier. For the best experience listing your tours and activities, we recommend using a desktop device or computer. Now you know how to create a top-notch listing that gets attention and drives bookings. Follow these steps, and your experiences will get approved faster, show up in more search results, and give travelers the confidence to book with you. Need help? Reach out to us anytime. We're here to support you. Go ahead. Create amazing experiences that travelers will love, or edit your existing ones and start getting booked.